How to guide meta.ai, how to have fun with meta image generators. Unleash your creativity with meta.ai's AI generated images and answers. Visit the meta.ai website to explore a range of tools and resources that will elevate your content creation. Dive into the world of AI and spark your imagination with cutting-edge technology. Click on Log in with Facebook in the lower bottom. Click on Continue. Click on Imagine. Enter some text in the search box. As you type, you will see some magic. Let's type rat riding a cat, some random image. Ask. Send the prompt to meta.ai. Sit back and marvel at AI's capabilities as it works its magic on your input. Watch your concepts transform into visually stunning images before your eyes. Experience the seamless synergy between human creativity and AI technology on meta.ai. Celebrate the successful creation of the rat riding a cat image with meta.ai. Experience the joy of seeing your playful idea come to life through AI technology. Share your excitement and creativity with others, showcasing the endless possibilities of AI-generated content.
Thank you for watching. Create free, AI-powered how-to guides by visiting Kimavi.